Hello. I have a book today called Bear Snores On. And as you can see, I've dressed up as a bear man. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave, from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So they like to be twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare burps big burps, but Bear snores on. As Badger scuttles by, Sniff snups up the air. "I smell yums, perhaps you can tell." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chomp crunch, but the Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "Like a storm," mutters wren. And everybody clutters in to the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, the whole crowd freezes. And Bear wakes up. Bear snarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You stuck in my lair. You had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I had none." He whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And Bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, tea. We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight, then spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end. And this was actually one of my favorite books when I was your age. Well, thanks for listening. Bye.